Hey, gonna do a little cold start test in the FiTech. For any of you who have been wondering how these things start up, this is my 1974 Roadrunner. It's a 440 cubic inch R3 small block, about 700 horsepower pump gas. I have a MeanStreet, 800 horse MeanStreet on here. It's been all right. It definitely makes it more drivable. Probably a bit too radical of a cam for this system to get a consistent idle, but I'm still playing with that. But this car's been sitting since October 2019. I have not started it. I cranked it over a little bit with no ignition to get some oil pressure, but that was it. It is now April 10th, so it's been sitting quite a while. I'm gonna go ahead and crank this over and see how it starts. I will not put my foot on the accelerator while I'm starting. I'm gonna cycle it over, get a few injection shots. One more. All right, let's see how she starts. Almost. One more shot. Let's give it a couple more shots. I had to put my foot on the accelerator to get it started, but my foot is off now.